Yeah, hello, just I messed up. Alright, man. So let's get it started. No detours, no wasting time, nothing. Let's just go in and get straight into the reaction video. Cause man, it's gonna be a quickie. It's gonna be a quick video. I mean, 40 seconds. Bro, come on, man. That's all you gonna give me? That's all you gonna make me wait half a year and then only give me 40 seconds of content? Alright.
丘にある木に向かって3人でかけっこをした。ただ走ってるだけで気持ちよかった。その時僕はなぜかこう思った。ここで3人でかけっこをするために
Oh, whoa, I'm sorry. I'm be rewinding it and fast forwarding. Like, there's just so much happening. What the fuck is that? Y'all see that big ass? Is that FALCON? That's a big ass bird. Look at his hands though. He has hands. Oh, let's go a little bit. No, that's a person. A MIKASA. We got him holding right near. Oh, look at all the titans. We got an armored titan. We got a female titan. We got a titan with horns. Titan with claws. Is that the jaw titan? What the hell, limit chopper? Yo, she said, what? Wait. It's MIKASA? That huge ass bird? Because it does look like her if you look back. My fucking god, rewind. Okay, that's a perfect ass angle. That looks like a person. It could be MIKASA. Who's this? Is this what's his name? Armin? Is he single? Is he gonna become the founder too? Oh, who said that? MIKASA to Eren? What is this? Too little, man. Too little of a fucking blue ball at me. For damn sure. But let's go. Angle for angle. Got the titans here. Hey, look at the fucking shitload of titans up here, man. Look at the long ass legs of him. I think they're all attached from Eren. Like kamikaze over there. Whoa. Look at that shit, man. Look, he's no, that is her. You can see the fucking wings on that thing. You're like a transformation. Look, those are hands too. Why is he crying? Oh, this is Zafira. Fall 2023, so maybe November or December or possibly October. Man, though, I'm hyped for that. I remember it ended shortly too. I haven't watched any of the manga. I'm not gonna read it either because what I don't really like. Come on, reading. Like there's nothing wrong with reading, but I just get distracted easily. But nah, man, I'm hyped for that. I'm definitely gonna watch it. Can we get a release date? What do the comments say? Man, 10 years the show's been through. Thank you guys for making such an amazing show. Then I know it's okay. Can't wait. I can't wait, but don't want it to end. This show is a masterpiece and will be my favorite. Nothing comes close to it. Everything about this anime is amazing. So that it's near the end. The anime really interests me. So amazing. Actually, it's true. Let me go and reply that. True. Man. I've been watching this since I was 7. I'm 18. What the hell? Well, grew up watching anime. Grew up watching Attack on Titan anime. Literally his childhood. Check this guy. Alright, man. It was good though. I'm gonna hype her down.